Today unboxing are the pair of Schuco Hong Kong Exclusive, and that's the Martini Porsche, and also the Land Rover Defender from the Hong Kong Police. I'm really looking forward to unbox my very first Land Rover Defender from Schuco. And now let's take a closer look at the Hong Kong Exclusive Martini Porsche. Presented with a standard Schuco packaging in a Martini theme color. The casting is looking quite sleek inside the box. First impression is a great casting. Really love the execution of the headlights as always from Schuco. Clear Martini livery on the side with the Porsche logo that's huge. Clean paint job with matching wheel sets. The feel is very similar to a TRV at a lower price point here. The wheels rose extremely well and fast, and it joins very well with the similar Martini theme mainline Porsche. Same specification with different livery and colors for the wheel set, including a slight difference in body color with the Hong Kong Exclusive much lighter. Next, the Land Rover Defender for the Hong Kong Police Bomb Disposal Squad. Standard outer packaging, which is the Toyz SG limited edition. Very excited as it's my very first Land Rover Defender. First look, it looks pretty impressive. Sharp and clean Hong Kong Police livery. You can see the police marking, including the Hong Kong characters, Geng Chan. Identical spare wheels on the hood with the same police marking. The front is impressive, including the blinkers, realistic headlights, and also two car plates. One is standard, and I believe the other belongs to the division numbers. Schuco already invested a lot of effort on executing the front. What's interesting on the livery is, on the stripe, it has a sort of a metallic feel to it that's above the Hong Kong Police. A rack is also included on the roof that's integrated together with the siren. Very interesting details on the rear with the similar bomb disposal marking. A sort of reflector on the roof that's printed. The mud flat that is rigid that's integrated together with the chassis. The wheel set looks rugged and realistic that comes in semi-gloss white and also very detailed base. I couldn't be more happy to have this Land Rover on hand. I think it's one of the very nice casting that's done by Schuco. I really like Schuco Police casting. It's always very well executed, and I'm looking forward for more police casting. Stay tuned for more Schuco unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!